Life on Earth began 3.8 billion years ago. From single-celled organisms to complex civilizations, humanity has always sought one thing: the perfect demo.
As you can see, our new boulder rolling technology will change how we move food. And maybe even ourselves. Uh-oh.
Demo Failure Exhibit 1, 65 million years ago. But hey, they tried.
Behold, the Catapult 3000! Perfect for launching stones and PSAs.
Demo Failure Exhibit 2, 1066 AD, the King's New Decree. No more catapult demos.
And with our software, you can increase productivity by 300%. This little hiccup won't be there in the final release.
Demo Failure Exhibit 3, 2025. Technology may advance, but demo fails are timeless. So whether you're a dinosaur, a knight, or a modern-day salesperson, remember this: the perfect demo might just be a myth. Unless you use Storylane. Need to show off your product without scheduling a call? Build self-guided demos in minutes and use buyer hubs to let buyers explore on their terms. Tired of relying on flaky staging environments? Use our no-code editor to polish screens, blur sensitive info, and prompt AI to clean things up. Have a prospect who ghosted? Drop a personalized demo link in the email to follow up. Want visibility? We track engagement. Identify anonymous accounts. Spot buyer intent. Pipe it straight into your CRM or Slack. In short, no more demo disasters. No more awkward silences. No more, "Can you see my screen?"